We're doing wireless next.
Back to wireless, I think. All right. We'll do this guy. This guy is the one I want to.
Oh, that one I probably should have never bought this one, guys. This is the HyperX Pulsefire Dart.
He says that. I was interested in it.
It's awful, from what I've heard.
It's awful? What is that?
Yeah, it's fat.
You know.
And HyperX way overdoes the packaging noise usually.
That's not too bad, actually. Look, boom, box. It's about equivalent to a...
There's stuff on the inside of the box.
Well, there's not.
Yeah. Look, I know, pretty.
Oh, yeah, I got you.
I know what that says.
Hazardous substances table.
Oh, so it's gonna kill me.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay, so
maybe because
HyperX Dart.
Yeah, everything's hazardous. All right, this is also another one of those weird boxes where you gotta know how to do
Kung Fu.
Yeah, stuff. All right, plastic. Get out of here. Dongle. Don't know if there's a thing for it.
Oh, you didn't even get the peel on camera. Look at this. Look at this noob to YouTube here.
All right, there you go.
Oh, it does do wireless charging.
So,
it's got Qi charging. You can pop it on my Qi dock.
Hey, you know how you didn't like the thingy for
Yeah.
Same thing. No.
No, but it has a Qi spot.
I suppose. Yeah. Actually, not bad. Like that's a pretty good. It's a chonker.
It's a chonker, yeah.
That's huge. Like that. My grip, that would probably be perfect. Because I just get up in there and real nice. It's huge, though. My God, that's gonna.
Oh, here's another thing that I will bitch about to you guys. Since you're here, you're one of our gracious followers. Thanks for stopping in here. I think we're overheating a little bit because we're dropping some frames. But do you see this? See this? They have plastic on the side buttons.
Yeah, don't worry.
If you need plastic on the side buttons,
yeah.
How do you think it's going to hold up to somebody using it?
Don't worry.
If you need it for shipping.
All right.
Anybody else?
Do you need the documentation? Oh, hey, there you go. No.
Oh, so it can only charge in one direction? That's weird.
Oh, no.
What are you even reading?
Oh, there you go. See, there's your charging. Yep, it does.
Yeah.
It does. And you have to get it right in the behind region, basically where the HyperX logo is, for it to actually Qi charge properly. That's why it's so monstrously heavy.
Gotta get it right in the Qi spot.
Yeah, dude. Hey! Bravo!
Wait, is that a Type-C port?
What year is it?
Wait, that cost them like $10 to $20 just to do that.
That's only $100 mouse, right?
Yeah, well, no, it didn't cost them $10, but from what I have gotten from my friends in the industry, adding Type-C to a consumer product adds $10 to $20 to the final cost of the product.
That rubber grip is so weird.
Yeah?
It's like, I thought it was a fabric at one point.
Yeah.
It's like, I don't know if you can see me squishing it in.
Yeah.
Like,
is it almost like a sound deadening foam, sort of?
I don't know. Weird.
Oh, yeah, it's like squashy. Oh, that's going to do the same thing that the original Rival did.
Yeah, it's gonna fucking shear.
And you've seen the ones where you just have an indent? Yeah, of your... I don't know if I could do this shape.
Congrats on joining the HyperX family.
You want to see what we do? See this? See this? Here's garbage. Don't print that stuff. No need.
All right, what else?
What you should do is instead of printing that stuff, is see this dongle. This dongle Daikazoku.
Look at this.
What?
It comes with a little charger. I'm pretty certain.
No, I think that's the dongle spot. Yeah, no, that's not a Qi spot, my dude.
Are you sure?
Pretty sure.
Look, perfect. You're probably right. You're probably right. That's just a dongle thing.
You can buy one with that, but I was like, I already have one for my phone, so why would I?
Still, that's pretty nice.
One thing I will say is, again, with this, it looks super generic on the bottom. I'm almost sure that HyperX still doesn't design their own mice. This is probably an OEM from somebody.
So they kind of like
that they like rebranded.
They were kind of forward thinking here, though, man. Just quickly beep the thing. You know, plug it in your computer, quickly, and that's that.
Yeah. I'm just happy as Type-C because now I don't have to deal with that cable, and then you just...
It's Qi charge, too, so, like, worst case, you never have to... I mean,
it's a giant mouse, though.
Before Razer started including the docks, I mean, you'd have to just basically disconnect, plug it in.
I mean, they used to have the docks.
The
Ouroboros has a dock.
The charger, or if you have the Razer.
The Naga Ultimate has a dock. The Razer used to have a universal dock. that worked on many mice, but then they abandoned it for a couple years.
Do we have any glow?
We don't have any juice, dude. That thing's been in that box since release, and it was probably dead when it came.
Well, I tried. Okay.
But yeah, for those wondering, let me get a couple shots of the shape here for you. Here you go. She's a big one. You got a big rear area for your palm. It's a big palm mouse. I would say the rear right side feels a bit bulbous for my tastes.
It almost feels like
this is up a bit high on the side.
Like an office productivity mouse.
Yep. And I can tell you, looking at the bottom, like of the CE stuff on the bottom of here, that, yeah, it might be wrong. If somebody from HyperX or Kingston wants to correct me on it, I'm pretty darn sure that this is OEM by somebody else. And they just went into the thing and were like, we want that shape, put a better sensor in it, and away you go.
I was gonna say, it does have a good sensor.
So,
one of the high-end ones, if I remember correctly.
It's probably perfectly fine.
No, I mean, I think it's actually, like, compared to the Kane 200 there, I think it's a better sensor than the Kane 200 that they use in there, which is why the battery life isn't as
yeah, the Kane 200 purposely used a shittier sensor to get better battery life.
Yeah, but it's still, like...
It's still a perfectly fine
good,
one.
Yeah.
Yep. If you're wondering, I both say shittier, and then it's...
By shittier, you mean, like, fractions of a percent, basically.
Yeah, and then I also stand by the fact that, like, a Kana is still a viable mouse.
The OG Kana?
Kana. Yeah, the Kana.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, 3389 sensor.
So
yeah, this is a high-end sensor that they put into a wireless mouse, and then they have Qi charging in there.
That's probably why they did that, because they knew they had Qi charging that they could
monster.
Yeah, just blow through battery. But so yeah, if you want to check out any of the previous videos, that's how many we've done so far.
Yeah.
And we got more coming. Please subscribe, and if there's something that you want to see, comment below. You might see it coming. We've definitely got, just a few more over there to kind of go through, and hopefully we'll see you at the next one.